Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I'm Justin, this is Evolving Photon. You can't see my face and that's probably for the best. Today we'll be walking with Cribyns and a goat. No, that's not right. We will be walking Cribyn in the Brecon beacons and doing the goat track. And then we'll go and have a little poke around the M.Zuiko waterfalls. So come along, let's see what I can capture. It'll probably be bang average, because you know, that's how I roll. So yeah, let's see what we can do. So just a quick word on this walk. It's not the most technically difficult walk ever. As you can see, Mrs. C is getting windswept and interesting. But it's a fairly gradual pull, so probably 4.5k up to, and then say goat track. It's quite a reasonable walk for anyone who's capable of doing about 10k. I was shown this is the second time I've done this walk, so you'll get a mix of two walks put together. The great Alan Cole showed me this, and it's a really lovely walk, and I suspect even when it's really busy in the height of holiday season, this bit is still quiet, and you can enjoy it. The back of Cribyn, what you can see in front is Penny Fan. I'll say that the track is good. You can see all the people slowing up to the top of Penny Fan. Luckily, we weren't doing that. Oh, sudden cut. This is the back of Penny Fan, and this is the start of the goat track. And you can kind of see that it all of a sudden narrows somewhat. Yes, Mrs. C was wearing shorts, not her best choice, but once you get going, you get going. And it really is just a case of following the track. And it's a fairly spectacular 300-400 meters, and you get lovely views of the back of Penny Fan. When I say it gets narrow, it gets narrow. So if you haven't got a head for heights, this bit might not be for you. But as it is, I am like a mountain goat, as you've seen in my previous videos. A hop, a skip, and very much a jump, and I'm there. So this was easy for me, but at no point did I need to shit a brick. You'll see in some of the photos in the gallery a bit later, there was just a couple of times the cloud broke and you get this lovely dappled light just going across, and that's so that was really nice. Mainly we just had fairly solid cloud. Once we get to the end of the goat track, it's now just downhill all the way. When you get to the end of the downhill, you just turn left and follow the wall, and eventually you hit these waterfalls. These are the lower ones. I didn't have time to get up to the upper. The flow wasn't massive, so it's more of a recce trip, and I'm going to go back later in the year. But yeah, I think there's some nice potential here. The end of the video. Next up are the gallery shots. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch up with you next time. Enjoy the dappled light, the hawthorn, and as I say, Mr. Alan Cole.